morning everyone. Today, as you can see behind me, we are tackling the master bedroom. I gave my closet a huge clean out yesterday. That big basket there is everything that is getting tossed, donated. Most of it's not worth donating. The only reason I'm getting rid of it is because it's either got stains or holes, so basically getting tossed. And yeah, today, now that the closet's clean, we're gonna clean the whole bedroom. So there's no more introduction needed. You can see the disaster we have in the background here. It's just a little corner of it. We have this mess of a corner here, the bathroom, my vanity, everywhere. So enough chit chat, let's just get stuck in.
Can get you off of my mind. Are you still thinking about me all the time? Come through and ask me out tonight. Call me, I'm waiting on the other line. I've been hurt before, lied and cheated on. Don't want this anymore. Now I just want you all night long. I'm ready to open up my heart. You and me, it's gonna be a good one. Can we not pretend, just love? Can we be what we always dreamed of? I've been hurt before, lied and cheated on. Don't want this anymore. Now I just want you all night long. I've been hurt before, lied and cheated on. Don't want this anymore. Now I just want you all night long. All night long, all night long, all night long, all night, all night, all night long, all night long, all night long, all night, all night. I've been hurt before, lied and cheated on. Don't want this anymore. Now I just want you all night long. All night long, all night.
Oh wow, guys, this has taken me all day and I am absolutely exhausted. I'm getting too old for this shit. But oh my God, I am so happy with it now. I think I am definitely going to stick with the blue. It is awesome. So I'll take you around and show you every little nook and cranny now. I'm just, I don't even want to get in bed. I mean, I'm so exhausted. I just want to sleep, but I don't want to get into my bed. I just want to leave it all fresh and all clean the way it looks right now. So this little section here, as you come in from my door, I have closed that because I've got my Roomba going, as well as a whole heap of junk just sitting outside that door that I got to get rid of. So this little section here, I've just created this little vignette here, and I'm not that creative myself. I basically copied this little picture that I found on the internet. I really, really love that picture, so I just sort of tried to recreate it with the stuff that I have. So I just really like the way that looks sitting there. It looks quite pretty, I think. Anyway, I've got all my nail stuff here now, as you probably saw while I was trying to fit it all in. My suitcases are always there. Got my little DIY frame and DIY window. I am going to make a little banner going across here, similar to the one I made at Christmas time, but probably something like maybe just have on it Sweet Dreams or something like that. But yeah, with that sort of ticking stripe and some music sheets, so that will be a project coming up. I did a little bit of decluttering in my linen cupboard. Well, not really. I got rid of a pink sheet set and a brown coloured sheet set. I just know I'm not going to use those colours anymore. This one here was looking like going as well, but I'm just going to hold on to it for a couple more months to see if I actually use it, and then the rest are staying. This little section here, I've just put, that's one of my new purchases in my last bedroom haul. That's actually a beach towel, but I just really like the way that looks as a throw just on my chair, and just gives the room a little pop of blue in this corner. So coming over this side, I hung this little macrame plant pot thing on top of that. I don't know what to do with these things. I know they're probably to hang plants or something in, but I really just love the way they look. But yeah, just at a loss of what to put in there. But I kind of like the way that looks. Well, that's the only reason I bought it, because I thought, oh, that would be perfect to hang in this little spot. So all my dressing table's nice and clean again. I've got my new makeup brushes in there now. The other ones I'm going to give a good clean and put away and just use them when I travel. Yeah, because all the traveling that I do. I've got my little decor on my shelves there now. Another little pop of blue just to tie in the room. And then, oh, have a look. I absolutely love it, guys. I love it, love it, love it. It's just so farmhousey to me now. I've got my new embroidery anglaise quilt cover sets on that I got from Spotlight. And these are actually bath mats, but I just really love the way they look as just little mats at the side of the bed. They were from Kmart. This throw, also from Kmart. I put the throw at this half of the bed just so it didn't cover up all the pretty embroidery pattern here. And I've put my bed skirt back on, which is basically just a cut up drop sheet. And I did actually have it attached to the back of the bed frame with Velcro at one stage when I first did it. But it's not even needed because the mattress keeps it there anyway. So I just sort of tuck it under the mattress now and just create a little bed skirt out of that. And I just love the way this pillow ties everything in, because that's pretty much the same color as the drop sheet bed skirt, as well as having blue on the home. It just really ties the whole bed in, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Did I say I love it, guys? I really do. And then this is my Kmart little placemat that I also purchased in the recent haul. This is Michael's side of the bed now. And then at the top there, I've just changed the decor a little bit, not too much. I've just got some candle sticks there. Another one of those little blue vases just to tie the blue in. Some old books that it's sitting on. Those two frames are always there. I got that little bird from Spotlight. I've just put him there. And my frame's always there as well. But yeah, oh, I'm so pleased, so pleased. I just got to vacuum up this little bit of fluff here that fell when I was putting the throw rug on. This is my little mat at the side of the bed. And I've I've just got my placemat on here too. I may even change that print out and find something in a blue tone on the internet and maybe swap that out. This is my little ladder now with that's a new throw rug from Kmart. And those decorations are always there. Looks like they're about to fall out. Oh, that's a bit better. Thought it looked funny. So I showed you my wardrobe in my recent overhaul and declutter of my wardrobe. Still looking good. Well, it's short. It's only yesterday that I finished it. I gave the floor in here a good mop. So yeah, that's all looking nice and neat. We've still got a dull day outside, which is awesome. Lots of rain coming. But yeah, oh God, I'm so pleased. I just want it to stay this way now. And my bathroom here, not much has changed as far as the decor. I just put a new towel there. I think I might have showed that in another video previously. It's not brand new, but a couple of months, I think maybe last month I bought that. Just got all my bath bombs and things there. My little bath tray. I switched. This sign used to be in the kids' bathroom and it used to be brown, and yeah, I just like the way it looks in my bathroom a little bit better, just to tie in with the bath tray. So I painted it white and then just painted the letters and the bath on there with black acrylic paint. And that's milk powder, salt, Himalayan pink salt, and bath salts there. They're just nice. You can add to your bath when you have them. And this little shelf was from Kmart. It's always there. I got my, look at me, I'm a hot mess. I literally sweated today. I'm just so exhausted. So I got my little stand in here with all my Lush and Body Shop goodies in there. And then just some decor items there. We've got our new navy towels on. Probably a bit hard to see. They're probably looking a bit black on camera. And our navy shower mat. All our showers scrubbed within an inch of its life, and it's all smelling fresh and looking fresh and white again. All good. And then last but not least, the toilet room. Smelling quite fresh. So there you go, guys. I am so happy. You've got no idea. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one.